I want to talk today about two of the best crypto signal providers out there. One of them is Signalpeak, signalpeak.io, and the other one is Jacob's Crypto Clan. Now, Jacob's Crypto Clan is probably the biggest following on YouTube, but when it comes to the best signal provider, I truly do believe that Signalpeak takes the top throne, and I'm going to explain why. Number one, Signalpeak gives you over 100 premium groups of crypto and over 45 premium groups of Forex, which would come to about $50,000 a year if you bought every single one. The next reason is because Jacob's Crypto Clan can only pay through Patreon. Now, when you're paying through Patreon, I understand that some people like that. Signalpeak, they allow you to pay through crypto. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to put your face in it. You don't need to do anything apart from get the real signals so you can go and make money. Okay, it's an easy withdrawal process. There's other things like actual indicators. They give you stuff in Signalpeak if you're a VIP member, and every time they've done an update or brought something new, no price ever changes. Now, let me quickly show you a little comparison on the screen. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I do this for education purposes only. This is Signalpeak's website. Now, another thing that I like is how professional they are. Okay, you can start your free trial for free, guys. All right, absolutely free, and you get some of the biggest in the space. And the fact that Jacob's Crypto Clan is not actually in Signalpeak makes me believe that this is actually not one of the top ones in the world. Now, yes, they're making $14,000 a month, and it's 381 paid members. When you go to Signalpeak, okay, you will see there is over 11,000 community members in their Telegram. You can go check that out. There's over 1,000 monthly signals usually sent, guys. All right, and it is unbelievable when you can see there's over 11,000 in their Telegram and over 200 of VIP members already, and they've only been around for about 4 months. Okay, we go back to Jacob's Clan. You can see you pay $103 a month for the top package. Now, that's really nice, but there's no lifetime package. I want to be able to pay for a lifetime. You can go to Signalpeak, okay, and pay a lifetime fee of $750, and actually I managed to get a discount code off them. If you hit my link down below, you're going to get that $100 off, and you can pay $650 and never pay a single payment again. You don't need a payment plan to keep paying. It's unbelievable. All right, so guys, for me, Signalpeak is by far the most superior. You get so many different groups. You can pay with any crypto you want. All these article places are speaking about it. So if you're going to choose, I would save thousands of dollars and just pay one time for Signalpeak and get signals from hundreds of groups. That's what I would do. So hit that link down below to get that discount. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. And I'll see you next time.